Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick SwiftUI tip, I will show you how to restrict the number of characters in a text field. Super useful for forms, usernames, OTPs and more. Let's get right into it. By default, SwiftUI's text field allows unlimited input. That's great until you want to limit it to say 10 characters, 20 characters and any number. Maybe for a phone number, username, or code. Let's try this out by creating a new Xcode project. Firstly, we will create a state variable with input text name by passing the empty string value. Now we will add some constant with character limit. For now, I am passing 10 number. But now we will create a text field by passing enter text placeholder value, and within the text we will pass input text state variable. Now we will add some padding. You can see the text field on the right side of the preview. Now we will add some padding to the text. We will add now to text field style to rounded border. Now adding on change modifier. Now we are checking the on change modifier by printing the new value. It will print every text whatever you type within the text field within the console. Let's see. As you can see in the console, this is working fine. Now we will add the condition within the onChange modifier to check the new value dot count with character limit. If this will be matched, then we will pass a new substring to input text variable. We will add string. Within the string we will pass new value dot prefix, and within the prefix max length we will pass the character limit. Let's try this out within the preview. As you can see, I can't type more than 10 characters within the text field. Now we will add the text label to print on display the characters count. As you can see, this prints the character count in the text label. Now we will add the foreground style with gray color. This is working. Now we will move the text label to the right hand side of the screen by adding the frame with max width infinity and set the alignment with trailing value. Let's check this. Yeah, this is working. Now adding the padding by passing the 20 with horizontal. Yeah, this is working fine. So the onChange modifier lets us react every time the text changes. We simply check the character count and trim it if it goes over the limit. Now when we type more than 10 characters, SwiftUI automatically clips it super clean and responsive. Do you want to get more fancy things? Add validation, show warning in red color, or limit to only numbers or letters. SwiftUI make it easy. Let's check this. We will add the condition within the foreground style. If the input text count will be equal to character limit, then we will pass the red color. Otherwise, it will be gray. Let's check this out in the preview. By passing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. As you can see, the color will be red. Now I will remove the one character. Now this turns into gray. Okay, so this is working, and that's it. It's quick and easy SwiftUI tip for better input control. Let me know in the comments if you want a version that limits to numbers or letters only. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a SwiftUI tip. See you in the next video. Thank you.